Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Sig Sauer P320. Now the first thing that you're going to do when you come up to any firearm is you're going to make sure that it's clear. You're going to remove that source of ammunition, and now you're going to lock that slide to the rear. You're going to physically and visually inspect that chamber. You're now going to physically and visually inspect the magazine well. Then one more time, you're going to physically and visually inspect that chamber. This firearm is cleared. Now, with the slide locked to the rear, you're going to be pressing down on that takedown lever and you're going to push it into the 8 o'clock position. Now, with the takedown lever in the 8 o'clock position, you're going to press down on the slide stop while slowly riding that slide forward. Your firearm is going to be broken down into 2 main components. Now, working on your slide. The first thing that we're going to remove is your spring assembly. Now with forward pressure, you're going to press forward and then pull towards yourself. Your spring assembly is going to be removed. And now we're going to remove that barrel. Press away from you and then pull that barrel towards you. The barrel is going to slide right out. Now your firearm is broken down into 4 main components, other known as field stripped. Now to reassemble, we're going to just reassemble it in the reverse order. Push that barrel in and then slide it. Take the recoil spring assembly, press it in. Make sure that the oval is facing up. Now with forward and downward pressure with your thumb, you're going to slightly apply pressure until it locks in to that groove in the barrel. You're then going to line up your slide with your guide rails. You're going to slide the slide to the rear position. Now from here, you're going to be pressing up on your slide stop while locking the slide to the rear. From here, you're going to press your takedown lever until it clicks. Once your takedown lever clicks, you're then going to press down on the slide stop and allow your slide to go forward. Now from here, we're going to perform a functions check. Rack the slide once. Now press the trigger. Hold the trigger to the rear while racking the slide. Slowly release the trigger. You're going to hear the reset. Now this firearm has been reassembled and functions checked.